is up, YouTube? My name is Blake. This is just gonna kind of be a short introduction video, tell you who I am. So, yeah, I like to work on quads, dirt bikes, street bikes, anything fast I want it. You know, it's just how it goes. Just kind of want to show you what I got collected right now that I've collected over the past few months. Worked my way up to these toys. Pretty proud of. Yeah, let's get to it and I'll tell you about them. So right here we got the 03 Gixxer 1000. I got this one on trade. I traded a TRX 250. Now this bike originally had a spun rod bearing. This is not the factory 03 motor. I've actually K6 swapped this bike. Well, it's not a full K6 swap. It's like a hybrid build. It's the 06 bottom end with a 03 head. And it is slightly stretched. Don't mind the shop, it's a mess. I'm getting it cleaned up to get some more toys in here. So right here we got the Banshee. This is not a stock Banshee. This is a 392 Cub. It's a 68 mil dome piston, stock stroke. Yeah, I got a lot of plans for this one. It's out of commission right now. I got a blown back tire, but yeah, we'll get to that. And then right here we got the KTM 250 EXC. No, I actually got this Banshee on trade as well. I traded a 2005 YFZ 450. It was a 4.4 stroker with a 480. Yeah, that thing would scoot. But ended up trading it for this. And then a KTM here. This video didn't bore you guys too bad. Just a short introduction video, show you who I am and what I like to do. I like to have fun. Definitely a lot more content coming. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, comment below what you would like to see, and I would do my best to try to provide some good content for you guys. All right.